payable sa isang Mr. Edward D. Fajarda for 37.5 million pesos. Ikaapat, na ang mga nasabing check, Your Honor, ay personal na iningcash ni Mr. Edward Fajarda bilang Special Disbursing Officer ng Department of Education noong February 22, 2023, April 26, 2023, at July 13, 2023. Kalima, bilang Department Manager ng Land Bank DepEd Branch, si Ms. Camposano ay personal na nakasaksi at nag-oversee ng pag-encash at pagtanggap ng pera mula sa tseke ni Mr. Fajarda. Kaanim, iba pang mga bagay-bagay na may kinalaman at mahalaga dito sa impeachment case na may kaugnayan sa Article 1 on confidential funds at may relasyon sa mga nabanggit na dahilan. For comment, Your Honor.
Counsel for the respondent, Attorney Poa.
Thank you and good afternoon, Your Honors. Your Honors, again, for the purpose of expediency, Your Honors, the defense is willing to stipulate on the checks as well as the details on the face of the check, which would be the dates, the payee, the signatures therein, as well as the dorsal portion, and that the checks were verified, it went through the teller, and that they were approved, Your Honors.
How about the qualification of the witness as to being able to identify the checks that she was the former department manager and worked at Land Bank from May 22, 2022 to September 2024?
As the former branch manager, we are willing to stipulate as well as her ability to identify these checks, Your Honor.
Having so stipulated, Chair would like, for the information of the Senator Judges, kindly flash as I read the details of the check so that we are in agreement as to what is being stipulated to by the respondent. First is Land Bank check number 0000000453, payable to Edward D. Fajarda in the amount of 37.5 million, dated February 20, 2023, and encashed on February 22, 2023. Second is Land Bank check number 0000000964, payable to Edward D. Fajarda in the amount of 37,500,000 pesos, dated April 19, 2023, and encashed on April 26, 2023. And finally, Land Bank check number 0000002250, payable to Edward D. Fajarda in the amount of 37.5 million, dated July 11, 2023, and encashed on July 13, 2023. The respondent is stipulating as to the authenticity, due execution, all the information contained in the face of the check, as well as the dorsal side of the check, including the verification made by the responsible bank officers as regards the payee and the disbursement of the amounts mentioned on the face of the check, as well as all of the stampings in the dorsal side of the check. This is a common exhibit of both parties. On the part, again for the record, on the part of the defense, it's P Roman numeral number 128E to P Roman numeral number 28E-1, and P Roman numeral number 28F to P Roman numeral number 128F1, P Roman numeral number 28G to P Roman numeral number 28G-1.